Hi, I'm Roy from Elementor, and this is the first official demo of Elementor version 4.0, the Atomic Editor. If you build websites regularly, you know how it usually goes. You style a heading, then you style another heading on the next page, then another and another. And one day, the client wants to change the brand color and you're hunting through every single page trying to find every place you hard-coded that hex value. Or you build a card layout, then you need the same card somewhere else, so you just copy and paste it. But now, you've got 15 slightly different versions of the same thing spread across the whole site, and updating one of them means updating all of them manually. Now, that's not a workflow challenge, that's a foundational challenge. And version 4 is the new foundation that fixes that. It's a new way of thinking about how you build. Everything is atomic, allowing you to build with systems, reuse, and scale. The editor is now the Atomic Editor, and it was built around 4 main pillars. First, atomic structure. Instead of widget-stacked layouts, you get a cleaner foundation that supports flexible building. You're getting more freedom, not less. Second, design systems. Variables and classes give you a centralized design system where one change updates everything instantly. Third, reusability at scale with components. Build once, then reuse and update everywhere. In components, you can also decide what teams or clients can change and what stays locked. And last, but definitely not least, performance. With version 4, performance is built into the foundation. Atomic elements generate cleaner output that reduces bloat and keeps performance stable as your sites grow. That's the shift. Build with systems, reuse, and scale. Let's see what that looks like.